Guys, do you ever wondered your Instagram post is in existence due to the cooling towers, not the actual code as much? Every time you stream a video, scroll Instagram or some other social media website, your data goes to a data center. And most people think the hardest part at a data center is all about computation or the computing power. But it's not the real thing. The main enemy at a data center is the heat. Several consumers think the server consumes all about electrical power, and it's just that. It's about the electricity cost. But the server consuming massive electrical power and almost all the power then turning into heat. And if you don't remove that heat much faster, or otherwise you start to accumulate that heat, chips will slow down, fail, or even die permanently. That's where the chemical engineering quietly runs the show. The traditional data centers used to use the air cooling, but air is not a good thing to carry heat. It's actually terrible at carrying heat. So modern facilities are switching to the liquid cooling because they have higher heat capacity and the better heat transfer properties. But you don't just pour water in electronics. That's why engineers carefully design coolants, and some are coolants with the controlled conductivity, erosion and corrosion resistance, thermal stability. Even tiny impurities can cause corrosion inside microchannels and short circuits. Then heat, the reaction comes into the play. That heat has to go somewhere, usually into cooling towers or heat exchangers, which are designed using the same principle taught in the chemical engineering classes, which are like energy balances, phase change, and the mass transfer. And as AI and cloud computing is growing, cooling is becoming the limiting factor, not as the computing or computational power. So next time an app loads instantly, and remember, behind every fast server is a slow, careful solution by the chemical engineers, keeping it alive. So follow for more tech and chemical engineering facts explained simply.